is Mila, and I'm the best. When I step up on the show, ain't no time to rest. My name is Preston, but call me Prince. I know I can't rhyme, but it all makes sense.
My name is Lovie, and I'm real cuddly. I love all puppies and even chicken nuggies.
My name is Calogero. I'm better than the bros you know.
Hey, wrong show.
My name is Calogero. I'm better than the bros you know. That's whack. Alright. Y'all watch the show.
Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lovie. Well, today we're gonna make macaroni and cheese, some white rice, a little bit of chicken, and some string beans. So tune in. So it's gonna be a little difficult to try to tell you exactly how much. I usually eyeball everything. So I don't know how much butter I put in it, how much milk, how much salt, how much pepper. I don't know, okay? I've been doing this for quite some time, so I just do my thing, and it comes out amazing. Calogero, why don't you help us explain this whole meal since you're the foodie?
Sure, babe. I'm honored to do this. First off, do y'all see that chicken right there? Okay, a little bit of dash up there, some seasoning salt, some black pepper. Yeah, a little bit of salt, babe. Add a little bit. Oh, no. What's that? Yeah, that stuff right there. Crushed peppers.
Paprika, babe.
Paprika, yeah. Oh, okay. So you gotta boil the water, right? And that's gonna be for the elbows, for the mac and cheese. I don't think that's enough, so we might have to, get another. Okay, there we go. Y'all hear some sound effects? Alright, so you just pour the elbows in there. You gotta put some more seasoning on the chicken because sometimes when you flip it, it kind of gets lost in the sauce. So you add a little more seasoning, and there a little more paprika. So then you want to drain the elbows, right? Nice and drained. Get all that excess water off. Move it on over to the mixing bowl. Yeah, look at that. Get your cheeses right. Yeah. Let me tell you, I've seen her make this mac and cheese plenty of times, and I still won't touch it. You know what I mean? She just got that touch with it. I don't even want to mess with it,
You just want to eat it.
I just want to eat it. Because, look at that. Look. Dang, she ain't even mixed it together good yet. And it looks like it's going to be busting. Yeah. Okay. So then you're going to add some pepper. What else, babe? Oh. Put an egg in there. The egg is to I think it's like to hold it together, Yes, hold it together. Okay. Drop that, add some milk in there. I don't know how much. She just be pouring in there. And it just be right every time. Okay, there's the salt. You add some little salt in there. Then you're gonna stir it up real nice. Oh, well, you're gonna add some more paprika on everything.
It's just for color,
Oh, okay.
Look good, don't it?
It looks real good. I think Sasha said she wants some. She see the video.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
You can't have this little girl. But look at that.
Look at that. Look. Y'all just look at that. It looks good already. It ain't even been in the oven yet. Hey, babe, so how long you put it in the oven for?
I mean, until I think it's done. Maybe about 35, 40 minutes.
Alright, so add a little more food coloring on the top. Paprika.
Smoked paprika on top, you can taste it.
Okay. Yeah. And then add a little dash of pepper, and a little dash of sea salt. Gotta keep it healthy. Sea salt. Don't get that white crack. Alright.
The what? The beef?
That white. Look at it. Alright now. Sorry y'all. We ain't even show y'all how we did this. It's
Follow the box.
Follow the box. This is by Prestige, the best cornbread mix you can ever buy. Look at that. Dish is dirty, problem solved. All right. So we ain't show y'all this either. All right, so we just decided to add some rice to this, some white rice, and then the mac and cheese is done. It was in the oven for a good little time. Look at that. Ooh wee, boy. You gonna eat your cornbread? Get that rice ready. Okay. Steaming. Y'all see it? That chicken steaming. Y'all see it? Oh, and we decided to add some green beans to it too. Some string beans. So look at that. Now, look at that, boy. Babe, I must say, you did a phenomenal job. Time to crush. Oh yeah. You know you gotta say your prayers before you call on doing the prayer, doing the recording. Anyway, let's eat.
I'm so excited. I think it's gonna be really good. What's your name?
Hell yeah, good one. That's good. You're here.